friends, myself is Nirmal Ghosh here with my 60-second motivational video. And that is very important video, friends. Very important video. And hope you all are remain positive during this period, because you all see the excellent, the best YouTube channel, the best motivational channel, that is Nirmal Ghosh Dream World. Friends, in this video, it is very much important video. I have said already that, because in this video you will learn two words which will improve your relationships, which will make you popular. The two words, the two magic words that will make you popular, that will make you that will build up, that will increase your relationship in a higher level, in a popular level. Friends, that two words I will discuss today with you all. And before that, I will request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Ghosh Dream World. Friends, I will tell about that two words which will improve your relationships with other people, which will make you immense popular. And that two words I will discuss today, and I will give you bonus tips at the end of the video. At the end of the video, I will give you also one bonus tip which will make you more popular, friends, more popular. And okay, friends, I will not waste time. I am now coming to the main point. And one thing I must say, that when you will use that two magic words to make yourself popular, friends, that magic words can be said in a 67 ways. That magic words can be said, can be told others in a 67 different ways. And I will tell those 67 ways in this video. I wish that this video will be very much helpful for you all, friends, for you all. So friends, I am coming to the main point. That two words is, friends, thank you. That two words is, friends, thank you. If we say thank you to others after every accomplishment of your work, by the help of others, or as a sense of gratitude to others, or if somebody gives you something, or if you also help somebody for the betterment of himself or yourself also, and if you use the word thank you, then it will create a heart-to-heart relationship with that person, with you, and that person will remember you. That person will make you remember always in future time, because friends, thank you is a magical word. Thank you is a magical word invented by great masters in ancient time. That these words, that your gratitude, expressing your gratitude for the help or for the great job did by others for you, is a courtesy. Soberness, gentleness of your mind, of your nice, beautiful mind, is shown by these two words for others, and that people will be thankful to you, because he will understand that I did not do any wrong work for that person, because that person is gentle, sober, and a very nice person, because he knows to express his gratitude. Now, this thank you word, the two words thank you, can be said in very different way, in 67 different ways, friends. Now I am discussing that 67 ways. You can say thank you by saying great job. You can say it by saying nice work. You can say it by saying way to go. You can say it by saying I applaud you. You can say it by saying I could not have done it without you. That person will be very much happy if you say I could not have done it without you. You can say is you are the best. To motivate one person who has done a work for you, you can say him thank you. Not saying thank you, you can say him that you are the best. He will be motivated. You can say him wow. That will be a very expressive word. Wow. That will be a very, very powerful word for motivating. You can say in these 7 ways. Friends, next, you can say this in 8th way. The 8th way of saying thank you is you are fantastic. 9th way to say thank you is you rock. 10th way to say thank you is you are on top of things. 11th way to say thank you is I am truly grateful. 12th way to say thank you to a person who are doing the job for you is super job, super job. 13th way to say thank you to the person who are doing the job for you is you are a winner. To motivate a person, you can say you are a winner, you are a winner. The 14th way to say thank you is you are a joy to work with. You are a joy to work with. If you are doing a teamwork with some people and after doing the accomplishment of the job, after accomplishment of the nice job, you can say thank you. But instead, you can say you are a joy to work with. You are a joy to work with. Number 15 way to say thank you. I am impressed. Number 16th way to say thank you. You are sensational. Number 17th way to say thank you is no one holds a candle to you. No one holds a candle to you. Number 18th way to say thank you is bravo, bravo. Number 19th way to say thank you to a person who are doing the job for you is great work, great work. Number 20th way to say thank you is you are spectacular, you are spectacular. Number 21 way to say thank you is hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. That is a very powerful word, friends. It will motivate not only the other people but the people around you also motivate by this saying this word hip hip hooray instead of saying thank you. It is a very, very, very team working word. And the number 22 word for saying thank you is you are incredible. Number 23rd is well done. Number 24th is you are terrific. Number 25th is excellent. Number 26 to say thank you is A plus job, A plus job. Number 27 to say thank you is hooray for you, hooray for you. If somebody do a great job who work under you and you can say you think thank you, but instead you can say to make him motivated more powerfully, you can say him hooray for you, hooray for you. It is 27th way to say thank you. And number 28th way to say thank you is you are a team player. You are a team player. Number 29th way to say thank you is you make me look good. Number 30th way to say thank you is high five, high five. Where the players in the football match or other matches or in cricket do an excellent job or win the match, they all make high five, high five. And that is also a thing of showing gratitude for teamwork. And instead of saying thank you, you can say high five. Number 31st way to say thank you is I am proud of you. I am proud of you. Number 32nd way to say thank you is you are fun to work with. When you enjoy the work with the person to whom we are working your work, and instead of saying thank you to him, you can say him you are fun to work with. You are fun to work with. Number 33rd way to say thank you is that's a great idea. That's a great idea. Number 34th way to say thank you is you are doing a super job. You are doing a super job. Number 35th way to say thank you is kudos. Kudos. Number 35th way to say thank you is kudos, friends. Number 36th way to say thank you is you are a great example of others. You are a great example of others. Number 37th way to say thank you is you are super. You are super. Instead of saying thank you, you can say this powerful word to motivate him. You are super, friend. You are super. Number 38th way to say thank you is the time you put in really shows. The time you put for your team is really shows. Number 39th way is you are unstoppable. You are unstoppable. You can say this instead of thank you to a person who are doing good for you, who are doing good for your company. You are merely saying thank you. You can say thank you, but instead, this will be more beneficial, more motivational words for him is you are unstoppable. Number 40th way to say thank you is I appreciate your work. Number 41st way to say thank you is I appreciate you. Number 42nd way to say thank you is superb, superb. Number 43rd way to say thank you is phenomenal, phenomenal. Number 34th way to say thank you is I enjoy working with you. I enjoy working with you. Number 45th way to say thank you is you are on target. You are on target. To motivate people, you can say thank you when you see that he is going to the right path on your goal. But instead of saying thank you, you can say him by patting his back that you are on target. You are on target. Number 46th way to say thank you is your contribution is important. Yes, your contribution is important. Number 47th way to say thank you is outstanding. You can say on somebody instead of saying thank you that outstanding, outstanding. Number 48th way to say thank you is congratulations, congratulations. Number 49th way to say thank you is remarkable job, remarkable job. Number 50th way to say thank you is you are so creative. When somebody does a creative work, innovative work, you can say him thank you, but instead you can say you are so creative. You are so creative, and you say it, he'll be impressed more. Number 51st way to say thank you is right on, right on. Number 52nd way to say thank you is okay, okay. That means excellent. Number 53rd way to say thank you is you are a treasure, you are a treasure. You can say a key person of your office or of your company or of your team who does an outstanding work. After accomplishment his work, you can say him thank you, but instead you can say him you are a treasure, and he will be motivated more. Number 54th way to say thank you is awesome, awesome. Number 55th way to say thank you is you made my day. It is very important word. You made my day. You made my day. Please say it to somebody, he will be motivated, and you will also be motivated instead of mere using thank you. Number 56th way to say thank you to a person is dynamite. You say you dynamite, he will be motivated. You say a person, oh, you are dynamite, he will be motivated. Instead of saying him thank you, we can use the word dynamite. Number 57th way to say thank you to a person is you are truly appreciated. You are truly appreciated. You say this, he'll be really impressed. He'll be really impressed, and he'll work more for you. Number 58th way to say a person thank you is good job. Good job. Number 58th way to say a person thank you is good job. Good job. Number 59th way to say a person thank you is you are a real trooper. You can say a person you are a real trooper, he will be motivated. Number 60th way to say thank you to a person is fantastic. Fantastic. If you say fantastic to a person who does a good work for you, he will be motivated more than mere saying thank you to him. You say him fantastic work, fantastic. Number 61 to 61st way to say thank you to a person is you make my job so much easier. When a person makes your work easier, you can say him thank you, but you can use a specific word. You make my job so much easier, and he'll be motivated, he'll be pleased that you are saying between the lines. Number 62nd way to say a person thank you is exceptional performance. Exceptional performance, you can say him, and he'll be motivated. Number 63rd way to say a person thank you is amazing. Amazing, you use the word amazing, he will be motivated. He'll be motivated so much that he will do more work for you. Number 64th way to say thank you to a person is what a great imagination. A person with I told you earlier that a person who does innovative or creative work, they are more intelligent. And if you meet with such person in your team, if you meet with a person in your team, then mere saying him thank you, you can say him, what a great imagination to you, to him or her. You can say him or her, what a great imagination, instead of saying thank you. And he'll be great, he'll be motivated more. Number 65th way to say thank you to a person is bingo. Bingo. It is a more useful word to make motivated a person. To say 67, 66th way, to say thank you to a person is good thinking. If a person in your team give you a good idea, then you can say him thank you, but instead you can see more powerful word, that is good thinking, by patting his back. By patting him, you can say good thinking, he will be motivated more. And number 67th way, last but not the least way, to say member of your team, of your office, of your family member, whoever it may be, he may or she may be, you can say for his good work, for his contribution, you can say him or her thank you, but instant you can say him or her, you are an important member of the team, you are an important member of the team. You please say, and just see the magic, that he will not only be motivated, you will be more acceptable to him or her. You will be more acceptable to him and her. Your popularity will increase. You will be a great leader. Actually, you will be transformed yourself into a good leader by using this word, which will increase your popularity not only, but also which will be fruitful for your works. So friend, use these words instead of thank you to make yourself popular, to make your work done by others, and to accomplish a great goal, to reach a great goal. Please use these words for your team members, for your co-person, for your colleagues, and you see the magic. Now friends, I will share you the bonus thing in this video, which I told you in the first phase of my video, that I will tell you a bonus word to make your popularity more, to improve your relationship more. That is, whenever you meet with a person, whenever you use these words, use this with a smile. Use this with a smile, not use this with a gloomy, with a heavy face, with a angry face. Just use these words, just say these words with a smiling face, and see the magic. Your life will be changed. You will be more popular. Your work will be accomplished easily. And friends, last, I will request you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you like it, and please keep watching my videos daily in Nirmal Low's Dream World YouTube channel. Until then, stay healthy, stay positive, and use those words which I have told you to make yourself popular and to get your work accomplished. Bye bye friends. Bye bye.